And header is out. This is what the header looks like, and we'll get a closer view from away from under the car. Whew. Oh man, this is a lot of work. All right, get this gasket out here so we could enter the new one. This is the gasket, the old one. Man. All right. Here we see the difference. That is the stock header compared to the Skunk2. You can see that the Skunk2 is much wider, thicker in the runner's area here compared to the stock, which gives it a much better high flow catless system. The stock one has the cat, which is also a restriction to airflow, or exhaust flow would be at this point. So the exhaust flow out of the car. That's only there so that way you could pass your emissions and not pollute. But since I'm going for a track street build, there is no more cat. So it has the 2 holes for the upstream O2 and the downstream. This also has the 2 holes for it, but you need an extender. As you can see, the O2 is up here. Now it will be down here. So there's an extension piece that Skunk2 comes with. So that way you can extend your O2 wire. And the downstream one comes with a defouler, which I'll show you what that looks like right here. And we're going to angle it to the top so that way the check engine doesn't come on, hopefully. But if it does, we're going to have to tune this car and turn off this O2 sensor. And let's put together the Skunk2 one with all the accessories that it comes with, and then we'll install it on the car. So I installed the adapter flange. I didn't have bolts that were long enough, so I used the one that the hardware came with. And my current exhaust, which is a Yonaka Motorsport exhaust, has the 3 bolts that I need in order to connect it to this side here. So that's okay. So using the one that the hardware brings works totally fine. I use the donut gasket for the S2000 and not the one that the kit brought. Again, this one is too thin, and as you can see, it's already flaring up a bit. So this is going to cause a leak. I don't want to do that and have to do this job all over again. So we're using OEM hardware for that. Moving up, I did clean it. I like this little badge that says here for off-road use only, never to be used on pollution vehicles. We're going to keep that a secret. And then going up to the top, let's get this installed on the car. All right, so this is the most difficult part, is to get this header, which is thicker than the stock one, back inside the car. So let's see how I could do this. All right, so I got that in there pretty easy. That's cool. So That is dope. According to sources, that is the most difficult part, but I'm glad that we got that in there. Now we got to go to the top of the car and bolt it in, so that way I could get good leverage down here. Let me see if I can get it on from up here. No, it's gonna be very difficult to get it from under here. So let's go back to the top of the car and you'll join me there. Whew. Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me. Something in the air. I know you want me. All right, so as you can see, we have the bracket that we had to move to the side back on install. Everything is installed here with the header. We put the heat shield back on for the axle. Coming down, we have the extender piece, which I'm going to zip tie here to this cable, to the first O2 sensor, which is the upstream, and then the second O2 sensor, which is the downstream. So everything that has to do with the header is completely installed. I'm going to give it a wipe down because it's a little dirty. I don't want the fingerprints to be staining the exhaust. All I need to do is connect the pipe for the Yonaka exhaust, and we're all set. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes to do this because my arm is worn out, and we'll get to it in just a second. So the Skunk2 Alpha Header is installed in the car, and we're gonna have a sound clip of how it sounds with the Yonaka Motorsport exhaust. I couldn't get it tightened up, so it has a slight leak on there, but you'll get a gist of what it sounds like until the next episode, and you'll see what the upgrade is there. So this is the stock header. We're going to put this aside now, and I'm going to quickly talk to you about a quick update on the channel. I do have coming up a couple of events that I need to attend with work and also with my personal life with my wife. So I won't be able to launch as many videos as I want to for the next couple of weeks. I think I'm going to take a little vacation from YouTube for about maybe 3 weeks. The most, that's where I want to be at. I don't want to make it a whole month. And then I have an event with my wife again that we have to prepare for the next upcoming weeks. So we are going to take a break from YouTube. Don't worry about it. I'm going to keep posting on Instagram. I do have videos that I recorded already. I just need to edit them, but that's what I need the time. I'm going to continue trying to get here to the car to do as much work as I can and get you more content. But for now, this is going to be the last video for a while, for the next maybe possibly 3 weeks, that I could get back here in the car and start wrenching on it, because I need this car completed before the summer starts, because I want it ready to drive by then. With that being said, keep on checking me out on my Instagram and TikTok social media. There will be updates there of when the next episode will be launched after this. And I would have recaps of the last 13 episodes that we have encountered together. So, with that being said, again, please like, comment, subscribe. The more comments I get, you see that I respond to you quickly. For those of you that definitely reached out, thank you. I appreciate you for watching. Everybody else, please subscribe. I see that half of you guys that are watching the video are not subscribed to the the A.S.A.P Garage YouTube channel. I'm really stoked about the Skunk2 Alpha Header. But yeah, there will be more updates coming with the exhaust segment, and we will follow up with other segments after that. I'm just gonna go quickly recap the tools that I use for this build. The tools were, let me get it. So the tools were swivel ratchets, regular ratchet, some close-ended wrench ratchets, extensions. I've used sockets from 10 to 14. I use pliers and PB Blaster, OEM O2 oxygen sensor socket set, and my Bauer electric saw. That's all the tools that I use for this installation. If you have any questions, again, hit me up in the comments. But I'm going to end it here with this final, this is your boy Dro. This was A.S.A.P Garage. I'll see you guys in hopefully 3 weeks. Peace. Oh, enjoy the sound clip.